Guys, if you're into painting, then check this out. This is the RollingDog foam roller, primarily used for smooth surfaces, such as furniture and cabinets. The main feature of this roller is that they have a concave end foam cover compared to other regular foam rollers, so that will give you a sharp line finish with better application. Inside the box you will get a roller frame handle which has a good soft grip. And 4 best quality foam sleeves which I have ever come across compared to other foam sleeves I've used in the past. These are the previous foam sleeves I was using, and they do tend to break apart quickly. This one has a flat design too, but the quality wasn't there. Anyway, let's carry out a quick test. First with the curved shaped sleeve roller, which is broken on the left hand side, so just ignore that. What to look for is the sharp lines and application, so you guys be the judge. Second sleeve. And finally the RollingDog. Personally myself, going on forward, I will be using the RollingDog foam sleeves. It's small, which I'm unable to work around. The quality is definitely there, and it's easy to clean in just seconds. Guys, work smart, not hard. Peace.